Hello, my name is Omer.
And my name is Yael.
And we want to tell you about the book we're making. We're going to show you now how it all began.
A boy meets girl at the zoo. She tries to impress him.
Look at this cute capybara.
He is highly impressed, so they decide to move in together. Since they're living together, they might as well get acquainted.
I am a children's book illustrator.
I work in a bakery.
One night, the boy says sheepishly,
You know, I have an idea for a children's book about baking. Last year I talked about bread making in kindergartens. The kids showed a lot of interest and were especially mystified by the yeast. So I got the idea about writing a children's book about baking.
Wow, I've never heard you so excited before about anything that hasn't involved food. Do you imagine it as an actual baking book for kids?
Not really, more like an adventure story that would take them into a bakery, through the process of making bread, and will include a magical meeting with yeast.
the thought of making a book together excites them, so without delay they begin. But how would they fund the book?
Ever heard of Indiegogo?
If that's a nickname for your dad, I'm all for it.
But what can they offer their Indiegogo backers?
How about a postcard from the book with our handwritten thanks from Jerusalem?
Miniature whole wheat braided challahs baked by us.
An actual hard copy of our book?
A handcrafted memory game based on the book.
A personal illustration based on the book and featuring our backers?
Thanks for watching, hoping for your support.